This is our armrest. We will show you how to remove the armrest. This is the inside of the armrest. You will see 3 black knobs. The top 2 are flower nuts, and the bottom one is a flower screw. Now we're removing the flower screw at the bottom of the armrest. Completely loosen this flower screw. Now we will show you how it looks on the chair. These are the 2 top flower nuts. You have to bring up the Velcro seat cushion. You might bend it up a little to gain easier access to these flower nuts. After removing these flower nuts here, make sure you completely loosen them. Remove the power cord. This is the housing for the fuse. Use a flat tip screwdriver and use the workspace that you removed from the power cord. Use that as a workspace to slide out that cartridge for the fuse. This is the fuse being used. This is the cartridge I was talking about. Now there is a spare fuse inside the square enclosure, which you can pop out, pull it out to replace the fuse being used. Again, the fuse being used is the one in the claw, the clamp. That's the fuse being used. We're popping in the spare fuse. It was located in the square enclosure. If there's no more spare fuses there, you can look for the Ziploc bag that came with the chair and get the fuses from there, or you can go to your local electronics store such as Radio Shack